Hello, my name is Calvin Mata, and I sign up for content management systems. What are content management systems? While you may not have heard of content management systems by their name, I'm sure that you have seen them, even used them before. A content management system, or CMS, is a software that facilitates, creates, editing, organizing, and publishing content. In simpler language, a content management system is a tool that helps you build a website without needing to write all the code from start. Instead of building your own system for creating web pages, storing images, and other functions, the content management system handles all the basic structure stuff for you so you can focus on more forward-facing parts of your website. How does the CMS work? First, purchase. You gotta purchase the web hosting and a domain name. You can use any site for this, or you can buy the domain name separate from a web hosting if you prefer. Second, you need to install your content management system of choice on your web server. Some, such as WordPress, are really straightforward or come already installed. All you need to do is log in into your account. Then, you choose a theme for the design of your site, which can usually be personalized, whatever you want to do. Then you are ready to write content. With a content management system like WordPress, you can just write your content in an interface that looks like a bit like Microsoft Word. As of images, you can just upload photos to a library, resize them, edit them, and place them anywhere you want on the site without having to deal with CSS or instead of needing to actually interact with the web server directly. When you are ready to publish your site, usually all you need to do or you have to do is just click on the just click on publishing them. I will explain more in depth what you can do with CMS in a few minutes. Before that, let's look at some examples. Like I said, you probably have heard of them before, but you maybe haven't seen it. WordPress is probably the most popular CMS out there because it's great for beginners. It also probably has the widest base of plugins and themes to choose from. It's also important to know that a great part about WordPress community is the amount of help and documentation online that you can find on nearly every aspect of the customizing the WordPress. WordPress is very popular for blogs also. Wix is another popular option if you're more into the business side. Wix has drag and drop website templates designed for a variety of industries, small businesses, restaurants, and more. Compared to another content management system, Wix have more design flexibility and functionality. Before I discuss the features of CMS, I want to mention the two sides of a content management system, which are a content management application, CMA, and a content delivery application, CDA. The CMA is a graphical user interface, GUI, that allows the user to control the creation, modification, and removal of content from a website without needing to know anything about HTML. The CDA component provides the backend service that supports management and delivery of the content once it has been created in the CMA. Features can vary among the various CMS offerings. but the core functions are often considered to be indexing, search, and retrieval, format management, revision, control, and publishing. Intuitive indexing, search, and retrieval features index all data for easy access through search functions and allow users to search by attributes such as publication dates, keywords, or author. Revision features allow content to be uploaded and edited after initial publication. Revision control also tracks any changes made to files by individuals. Publishing functionality allows individuals to use a template or a set of templates approved by the organization, as well as wizards and other tools to create or modify content. A CMS may also provide tools for one-to-one marketing. One-to-one marketing is the ability of a website to tailor its content and advertising to a user's specific characteristics using information provided by the user or gathered by the site. For instance, a particular user's page sequence pattern. For example, if the user visited a search engine and searched for digital camera or any other specific product, the advertising banners will feature business to sell the item that you search, instead of a business that sells all the type of different products like garden products and stuff like that, or any other kind of product. It will actually look for the product that you're searching for. Other features include integrating online help, content by hierarchy with unlimited depth and size, minimal server requirements, and integrated file managers. One major advantage of CMS is its collaborative nature. Multiple users can log on and contribute, schedules, or edit content to be published. Because of the interface is usually browse-based. A CMS can be accessed from anywhere by any number of users. The second major advantage of CMS is that it allows non-technical people who don't know programming languages to easily create and manage their own web page or web content. Relate to that, any decent CMS will give you a glance view of the status of all content, whether it's a live, begin, review, or draft. That doesn't just apply to blog posts, but to product pages and other web pages. It allows you to assign tasks and check that they have been done. With a CMS, the underlying architecture is the same, so you can make maintenance changes, update CMS software, and add functionality without breaking the site. If you want to change the site design, a CMS makes process easy. That's because the content and design are in separate virtual boxes, so you can make design changes while keeping the site functional. The CMS allows website content to be accessible virtually from anywhere, using any computer device that's connected to the internet. There is a very convenient features as the ability to work remotely and on the go, increasingly important nowadays. A content management system offers content integration through the website quickly and easily. CMS sites integrate with dynamic web content, as opposed to static, which allows information to be updated or repurposed as needed. With a CMS, your information isn't coded into web pages, but rather extracted from databases that can be easily maintained by authorized users. To choose the right content management system for your personal use company, it's important to ask some questions. What is your budget? If you have infinite resources to spend, or if you have quite a bit of money, there are some complex content management systems with features designed to make content creators and editors' life easier. With a limited budget, you figure, however, your choice will be more limited. What business operations does the CMS need to support? After price, the next major consideration in which business operation the CMS will need to support: does your company needs to publish hundreds of few videos a day? It's a question. Chain prices of 1,000 SKUs per day. Host images for blog posts. How easy is to create and edit content? The larger the company, the more removed the end user of CMS will be formed. The person who implements it. Ideally, the system will be easy to use and intuitive. Is the platform SEO friendly? If SEO is important to your company, you will want a CMS that actually handles basic on-page optimization tasks such as title page, URLs, alt tags on images, and a sound internal linking structure. There might be more questions about what you need to find if you want to find the best content management for you. And that's going to depend on your priorities and your needs. And there is a lot of different things, different content managements that you most likely find whatever aligns for your specific needs. Management systems are a great option for both beginners and companies. There are big companies out there that uses CMS, like TechCrunch, The New Yorker, BBC America. Content management systems provide many benefits, so it's important to think about the features you need the CMS to accomplish.